DETV. I'm Xavier.
And I'm Gustavo.
Hey, did you remember that Halloween was this week?
Oh yeah, I didn't know what I'm gonna wear.
Well, let's see what some of the students are doing this week. Hello, my name is Xavier Johnson, and today we are going to be asking people what they are doing for Halloween.
I'm gonna give out candy at my girlfriend's house.
Here. I'm gonna go trick-or-treating with my little brother. We're gonna go around, collect candy. We're gonna go to Verado, because they have the big size candies, the big size, king size chocolate bars. And so that's what we're doing. And I'm gonna be dressing up as Art the Clown, and he's gonna be Spider-Man.
My name is Josh, and for Halloween tonight, me and my friends are gonna be going to Verado, and I'm dressed up as SpongeBob, my other friend is Patrick, and then my other friend is Squidward.
My name is Wyatt, and my Halloween night is probably just gonna be a party, maybe an after party, and go home.
Hi, I'm Sanaya, and tonight I'm going to be hanging out with some friends as we go trick-or-treating.
My name is Julian Rivera. Tonight for Halloween, I have a football game at Cactus. Pop out, Jamie finna smack on some.
Alright guys, and that's it for the video. See you guys on DETV.
Well, speaking of Halloween, do you see at this age film and TV program back into Horror Fest for your second year?
Yes, I did, and the projects this year are even better than the last.
Well then, let's take a look.
The Remind app is a very important source that helps students see what is going on in the school. The school posts a Scorpion Scoop every Sunday showing students what is going to be happening in the following week. Download the Remind app today.
Have you heard the upcoming events during the month of November?
No, I haven't. Tell me more about it.
I've heard that we're the best high school in 2024.
No, I don't think so, but let's check it out.
And for the month of November, these are the upcoming events. The 11th, Veterans Day. The 12th, Boundary Info Night at 6 p.m. The 13th, Governing Board Meeting in the March Band Showcase. November 19th, SIEP Dual Enrollment Info Night. November 21st is a blood drive. And then November 25th to the 29th, it's a week of Thanksgiving break.
Well, it's harvest season for our farmers, and guess what?
What?
Designated own farming communication team went to an FFA National Convention in Indianapolis, Indiana, not too long ago.
Sounds like fun. Let's take a look into it.
When you think of agriculture, what comes to mind? There's a good chance it's farms and animals, but actually, there's a lot more to it. Meet Mrs. Sabinski. She's the Desert Edge High School agriculture teacher and FFA manager. FFA stands for Future Farmers of America, but that can be misleading. She explains why agriculture is so much more than that.
I think a lot of people don't realize the leadership part, like this particular contest with communication, so just learning how to work as a team, learning how to create social media to share information about agriculture. So that is one piece. I think there's everything from floriculture and flower arranging to meats and understanding the science of meat and the health and safety of meat to food science and food safety. So there's all sorts of parts of agriculture besides just well-being and animals and gardening.
Desert Edge's own FFA communication team went to the FFA National Convention in Indianapolis. Here the team learned about many different things relating to agriculture. Here's Mrs. Sabinski to go more in depth on the topic.
So there was about 70,000 students from across the United States that get together to do things like workshops, hear keynote speakers, do competitions. It's just an opportunity for networking amongst students that are in high school agriculture classes from all across the nation.
Something to note about this FFA team is that they were the first Desert Edge communication team to win the Arizona Agricultural Communication Career Development event, which is an event that challenges the team's communication, collaboration, creativity, and presentation skills, among others. A final note about this team.
They worked really hard, and they've been preparing for this for about 6 months, so I just think it's pretty cool that they are our first team from Desert Edge to go to nationals for FFA, and so they worked really hard to get there, and I'm very proud of them. So that's Abby, Cody, Taylor, and Melanie.
Awesome. Thank you.
With fall being in full swing, that also means that most of our sports seasons are underway as well.
No way, tell me more.
And girls badminton team made school history just recently.
Well, here's Bailey and Eric with the Lady Scorpions.
Hi, my name is Eric,
My name is Bailey.
and we interviewed the girls' badminton team on how they went to state and how their season went.
And we had a great year. I'm very thrilled and happy with how we performed this year. You know, we had high goals and high expectations, both with myself and also within the athletic department. And we met those goals, actually. So this is my 6th year doing it. This is probably the 2nd best year that we've ever had. So we made state, for the 6th straight year in a row. But this year we're able to advance past the first round for the first time ever.
This year's season, I think, was pretty good. We had a lot of new people coming in for freshman year and from some sophomores. So it was really fun to teach them how to play badminton, how to gain their confidence. This year's state was really fun. We had a majority of the girls come with us, so it was fun for them to see how everything worked, how everyone played. I was put against someone really, really good. So the fight with that really gained my confidence and really helped me push myself.
And this is my 2nd year playing badminton. I went to state with my doubles partner, Mara, and we made it past the first round, which was cool. And this past season was good. There was a lot of new people, a lot of cool people, so yeah.
And this year I was part of badminton, and we went to state this year. Luckily we passed the first round, and we made it to the second, first in school history. The experience was exciting. It had been me and Samara, my doubles partner, our 2nd year playing, so it was just fun for us, and the experience was nice. And it was really like a learning moment, because we're gonna come back next year and we know we're gonna do better.
Boys beach volleyball is really heating up this winter.
Really?
Yeah, let's take a look at some of the clips.
October was National Cybersecurity Awareness Month?
No, I didn't.
Well, let's find out the importance of that.
October was National Cybersecurity Awareness Month. Cybersecurity awareness is important as it helps create a safer digital environment for all. One of the biggest vulnerabilities in a network security system is you. You may put yourself at risk and not even know it. Here are some tips to keep yourself safe online. 1. Use a strong password for all your accounts. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols for your passwords, and avoid reusing passwords for all your online activity. 2. Enable multi-factor authentication. Along with a strong password, it's best to have another way to protect your account. This can be done by requiring more information to access your account. This can be things like a pet's name or a verification code sent to your number. And lastly, be able to identify phishing. Don't click on links or attachments from unfamiliar emails or text messages. Don't engage with senders that urge you to act quickly, and double-check the email being used.
Did you know about the recent room changes?
No, where have the rooms been moved?
I'm not sure, but let's find out.
There have been recent room movements across DE. Mrs. Mendoza, Mr. O'Malley, Mr. Rizzi, Miss Vanderheiden, Mrs. Sweat, Mr. Lee, Mr. Ludovico, and Mrs. Medley have all had room adjustments. We also have a new addition of classrooms called the Portables for our history and government classes.
Well, that's it for today's show.
As always,
I'm Xavier.
and I'm Gustavo,
And this is DETV.